Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some chili pepper sauce. So if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. For this pepper sauce, here are the peppers that I'm going to be using. I'll be specifying the names of the peppers and the other ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe in the description box below. So you can check it out if you want to make this recipe. I'll be needing some garlic, ginger, salt, seasoning cubes, and some sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So I'm going to be storing the pepper sauce into these two jars that you're seeing here. So now I will start by taking off the stems away from the peppers. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and remember to set that notification bell icon to all. That will always notify you anytime I upload a new video. And you can as well share this video with your friends and family. So now I'm going to be peeling the ginger and the garlic. Then I'll go ahead and wash all the peppers and the garlic. I'm going to be blending mine into a rough paste because I don't want mine to be too smooth. So now I've finished blending the peppers into a rough paste and also the garlic. I just chopped everything together with the ginger. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll take a pan. I'm going to be adding the sunflower oil into my pan. Then I'll add the ginger and the garlic that I chopped together. I'm going to saute for about 2 minutes, and you want to stir it continuously because you don't want your garlic to get burned. So now I'm going to be adding the pepper. And I'll make sure I stir it continuously because I don't want the pepper to get burnt at the bottom. I'll be adding the seasoning. I'm going to be adding some salt. Then I will make sure I stir everything together. I will allow the pepper to cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. But I'm going to be stirring it time to time so that the pepper will not get burnt at the bottom. So guys, as you can see, this pepper sauce is very easy to put together and so helpful. Like my family, not everyone like eating pepper the way I do. So this pepper sauce is just helped me to avoid cooking different pots of soup. So I'm going to be storing this pepper sauce into a container. Then I'll put it in my fridge or inside my freezer. Anytime I cook, if I want more pepper in my own, I'll just go there and put it inside my food. This really makes everything so easy for me. So you can give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And I would love to see you all again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.